front of me is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to clear browsing data here. So at first, just open the browser that you are using, then tap on more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and go to history. Now tap on clear browsing data, and here you will find basic and advanced options. So under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and then under advanced you've got a few more, which are saved passwords, out of inbound data, and site settings. So just mark those that you would like to remove, click on time range and pick all time. Then tap on clear data, and that's it. So this is how you can clear browsing data in your Xiaomi. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.